Did you know that Woody Woodpecker is the official mascot for Universal? I did not know that. We just found that out today. That is funny. Don't have the mushroom pizza before your ride rips off all. For us, that would be a Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket, right, Hunter?
No, it's off. No, it's off.
I feel like there's a cloud over my head. Ooh. Wow, look at King Kong. It's coming along.
I think just
that looks awesome.
King Kong coming along.
What was that again?
King Kong coming along.
Yeah.
I hope I'm almost to King Kong.
Oh, I hope so too.
King Kong's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
I think the reason.
Wow, it's looking good.
I think the reason why there's like a temple is because I think how King Kong won. I think it's the story behind you people of his treasure.
Oh yeah, you think so? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think so.
That makes sense.
It might be like.
And then he's not happy about that. He comes after you.
Yeah. It's probably like Transformers.
So the Raptor experience is in soft opening right now. So it's not running yet, but we're keeping our fingers crossed. We're gonna go down there and see. They're telling us it's not running yet, but you never know. Oh, I see a line and I see team members, so maybe.
I'm scared!
Oh, at least it's in the shade. Oh, spoke too soon.
This is not bad.
No. Are you nervous? Yeah.
Raptor uses coordinated attack patterns to confuse and ultimately overcome its prey. The name Velociraptor means speedy ancient.
Have you guys ever met a Velociraptor before? All right, let's come up and say hello to Ethel. Ethel. You were very brave. You actually got nervous there a little bit, didn't you?
I went like this to him.
He was breathing on you. And you did not even want to try it, huh?
Too scared.
It was scary. Even though you saw where the speakers were and you saw it was not real, you were still a little scared. Yeah, he was kind of creepy. I'll give you that.
When they were getting other pictures with other people, he went like this on one of their shoulders.
Was he sniffing them?
No, they were doing this.
Did you guys see that you're on Triceratops?
Yeah, they're
Bones?
plant ears. They're plant ears.
Estimated 65 million years.
Yeah, but they're actually plant ears, so we're lucky.
Ah. Kelly wants to go to the Jurassic Park Discovery Center. I know I've been in here and Tim's been here, but I'm not sure if the kids have been in here or not. So they want to check it out. Just like in the movie.
By the time you're done drinking it, you won't remember how to.
Thank you. It does. It looks just like the movie, huh?
This is just like a children's museum.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hey guys, we are here at the Discovery Center. Alright, so what's this? What is this? Large dinosaurs. Large dinosaurs move to a different breed than small ones. So you're actually checking to see what eggs those are?
Yep. That's what I think it is.
Let me see. What kind do you think this is?
Ankylosaurus. Oh, there's a bunch more.
Oh, he's putting new ones.
Do we get to touch them?
Yeah. But it's not, I want to do some.
I actually did a T-Rex one before.
Did you see Rex one?
Yeah. I got a T-Rex. I want to put my hand in there. Put my hand in there. Egg. Yeah. And look, the egg actually goes into a basket.
Oh, cool.
This is cool.
So you basically find out what kind of egg it is,
Yeah.
and then it goes to the nursery where it belongs. Doing some testing on it first.
Well, that's good. I have actually no idea what this is.
Oh. What kind of dinosaur do you think that is?
Another Ankylosaurus.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah. I knew it again.
You knew it. Oh yeah, there it is.
It's the same thing that I did last.
So then it goes down into the nursery and goes where it belongs, right?
Yeah, keep watching. There it goes.
There it goes. Bye. And then you grab another egg, huh? Do it all again?
I'm doing all of them.
Hi, can you guys hear me? Oh, great. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It looks like one of our dinosaur eggs about to hatch. To everybody, come on down to the nursery window for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Have you guys noticed any of these eggs moving? Oh, it's going to be this one with all the cracks in it. Anyways, we might not have time, so welcome to the Discovery Center. I'm Dr. Khan, and as one of the veterinarians here at the Central Nursery, I encourage you to stick around for the next couple minutes, because if you do, you're sure to witness one of the smallest, yet greatest wonders here at the park. The birth of a living, breathing baby dinosaur. And if there's any kids in the back, they can come to the front too. Yep, good. And we also have monitors overhead. But as I was saying, this hatching chamber has just alerted us to an IHE, or imminent hatching event. I can assure you, you don't want to miss one of these. And if you're just now joining us, this right here is the egg to be watching. You know, they say Jurassic Park is an adventure about 65 million years in the making. But here at the nursery, our adventures sometimes take just a matter of seconds. Then again, even we can't rush Mother Nature. Mother Nature. No, this is going to take about 30 minutes, guys. Yeah, but it's usually faster. Oh, look, the picture's ready. Good, good, yes. Come on, little dino, keep pushing. That's right. Almost there. Just a little bit more, my friend. It is time. Oh, there she is. Say hello to the world, little dino. Pretty spectacular, huh? Yeah, you're seeing something that hasn't occurred naturally for around 80 million years. Can anybody guess what kind of dinosaur she is?
Velociraptor.
What do you guys think?
Velociraptor.
That's right. It's a velociraptor.
What just happened?
I got to name Stripe the Velociraptor, and I got to name it, so I named it Stripe.
So what's his name? Stripe? Let me see what you got for naming Stripe. You got a certificate of birth for him.
It's the birth certificate for him.
That is
And
so
they said
cool.
I can see him anytime I want.
Awesome. Hang on to that so when we come back, we can come back and see him, right?
Wait one. I have no idea what this is.
It's just a date. He's 1 pound 9 ounces. Is that right? Yeah, 1 pound 9 ounces. Cool, Hunter. Tourist mugs.
I love those things.
Build 3D puzzle kit.
Oh, look at that.
Velociraptor. How
Cool.
much is it though? I didn't get it.
All the fun
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park stuff.
Oh, Lego stores. What's this? Dig up dino. Oh no, it's just,
Are they actually dinosaur bones?
yeah, you just build up. Well, not real dinosaur.
Not real dinosaur bones? Oh, look at this. Oh, those are cool. Oh, and they're super heavy too. That is really cool. Jurassic World Mike and Ice.
And look,
Oh, and Jurassic World Peeps. What everybody should need,
All the Jurassic World stuff.
Come on, I'm going.
Oh, those look kind of cool.
I didn't mean to take your egg. I didn't mean to take your egg.
Let's see your egg.
Ah, there. Ah, we're at Jurassic Park.
Here's the other side of Colin. Definitely coming around. It's starting to look like something. It's gonna be a huge ride.
We're gonna walk over to Port Orleans French Quarter. Kids are excited to play in that pool.
Nope, I'm not excited for the pool. I'm excited for the beignets.
Oh, you're inside for the beignets. So yes, we're gonna go to the food court afterwards and get beignets. Since the resort is themed after,
Mardi Gras.
yeah,
We're in the Mardi
New
Gras
Orleans.
parade. We're in the Mardi Gras parade.
I like this walk. It's nice, leisure, on the water, shaded. It's what?
It's
It's the walk is itchy.
yeah.
Okie dokie.
Making it itchy.
But this is a fantastic running trail too. If you run, the Port Orleans Resorts is one of my favorite places to run. That and
And then you
Fort
run?
Wilderness are fantastic places to run.
You run?
Are you the
Ooh,
troll?
It's Echo.
Hello.
Echo.
The
Echo. Echo. Echo.
troll under the bridge.
Okay, here's after right here. Yeah, I got my list.
And there's Port Orleans French Quarter. prices. Air guitars, huh?
Yeah.
Floating air guitars. Those are, don't use here. I can help you here. Don't use your teeth.
Sitting on one foot. It's gonna go all over the place. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna test your hula hoop skills.
Doing like
I think these are bigger than the ones they have in New Orleans. Look at those bad boys.
Yeah, they're big.
Those are huge.
Let's put some of this.
They need more
powder.
powdered sugar though. The ones in New Orleans are like
I was gonna say they're
white.
covered. These aren't quite as much.
That is so hot.
Yeah, they just came out of the fryer, so you kind of have to wait for a little bit. Dig in. Don't inhale. Did you inhale? Yes, don't inhale. Did I say that and you thought about it?
It's powder.
Have some drink.
It's the powder.
It's the powdered sugar. Yeah, you can't inhale the powdered sugar. But Tim says it's better. You think they're better than the
Oh, yeah,
Cafe
those
du
are better
Monde?
than Cafe du Monde.
Really? They're definitely, as we said, much bigger. It's right behind us.
It's chasing after us.
It's chasing us. Go quick. Go quick.
Going attacking us.
Hurry, hurry.
Oh, I think they're I think they're staying
See, here it comes.
I think they're staying.
Here it comes. Through the bridge.
Let's go, Mom. What are you waiting for?
You don't want me to wait for the horse? There he goes. That's a good boy. All right, the kids are finishing up, but we have our little Mickey ears.
Mickey Mouse.
They're supposed to be bunny ears, though.
But they look like Mickey ears.
I'm Mickey Mouse and Wonder Woman. Mickey Mouse, Wonder Woman. Mickey Mouse, Wonder Woman.
So we're going to
I'm gonna be
Epcot
real.
this evening, so these glow sticks are perfect for a night at Epcot.
I'm gonna be a perfect Wonder Woman because she has these colors of her bracelets. Pow, pow, pow.
Pow, pow, pow. Hunter, all I can see is your ears. There you are. Kelly wanted to ride by himself on Spaceship Earth, right?
You show us where you're from. We can put your time. In 1850, Gutenberg and in 1969, from somewhere else.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
From me, just for you. Ready? And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we? Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. At the moment you arrive at your, or should I say, the beginning of your future.
Alright, so we are at dinner at Spice Road Table. And we were able to get us a table right up against the window so we can see eliminations. So last time we were here, photo shoot?
Yep.
Last time we were here for a photo shoot at what, 5 a.m. in the morning?
It's earlier than that.
Or was it early at 4:30? I can't remember how early. I remember it was tired.
We
We had to be in the parking lot at 3? Wow. Do you guys remember that? It's the last time we were here, photo shoot. So we got pita bread and hummus and olives.
And more hummus.
And the pita bread and hummus is popular. It's already gone. Kids are grabbing it up.
Oh, look at that.
And we got sausage.
And look at the hummus and
And we got a mixed grill. So we're all kind of like sharing everything, but in about 20 minutes until illuminations start. It's getting darker and darker.
little view from dinner. It's not bad.
that looks absolutely amazing. Oh, jeez. Whoa.
Apparently not.
No, they have music, we just can't hear it from the up. I can hear
Great dinner at Spice Road Table with a fantastic show, right? Watching illuminations from our seat. That was
cool.
Awesome. So now we are heading out. It was a really fun day, but I think we're all tired. That one, tired. Sleepwalking. So like the eye in the sky if you guys, or not like, click on the eye in the sky. Can you tell I'm tired too? Click on the eye in the sky if you want to watch any of our other videos. And thank you for always liking and subscribing. We do appreciate it. So I think the Joneses are out tonight. Good night, guys.
Love you all.
From Epcot. Bye.
Love you all.
Kelly's sleeping.